As you probably understood from the intro, today we are creating a Star Wars house tour with ChatGPT and Midjourney. So let's just get started. So we start off on ChatGPT with the prompt, I'm gonna feed you some descriptions that a machine like you can learn from to understand what humans think is a stunning and interesting visual image, okay? So I just hit play here. Machine goes, sure, I'll be happy to learn from your descriptions. So I follow up with pasting in a whole lot of prompts that I just found on Midjourney that I really like. And it says, thanks you for sharing these descriptions with me. Then I follow up with this prompt. A machine like you does not have to understand what an image is, but it can combine the descriptions in the information above to create visuals that humans really enjoy. Now I want you to create a prompt that visual imagines and describes the only the exterior of a house inspired by Star Wars. So I hit play. So when I have the description of this exterior of the house, I follow up with, now I want you to create a prompt that visually describes the interior of the house from the description above. Then I get a very good description of the interior of the house. So I just follow up with, create a prompt that visually describes the bathroom from the house description above. So I just repeat that for every room I want a description from. And I gotta say, I was very happy with the results I got. So finally, I just collected all the prompts I have created here in ChatGPT, compressed them a bit, took them over to Midjourney, and created the images I wanted. If you want to learn more about scripts and generative AI in general, just check out my membership if you want to. But now, let's watch what you all came here from, and that is the Star Wars house tour.
Welcome to one of the most luxurious and technologically advanced homes in the world. As you approach the exterior of the house, you'll be immediately captivated by its sleek, metallic surfaces and angular design. As we enter the house, we are struck by the spacious, open entrance hall, illuminated by natural light and equipped with high-tech gadgets and devices. Passing through the entryway, we find ourselves in the living room, a great space for relaxing and entertaining guests. This modern room is equipped with comfortable, stylish furniture and has a great atmosphere. Making our way through the house, we next come to the large and elegant dining room. This room is a perfect place to gather and share fantastic meals. Following that, we make our way to the kitchen, a chef's dream come true. This modern kitchen is the perfect space for cooking up delicious meals and entertaining guests. Next we head up to the second floor, stepping into the luxurious and private atmosphere of the master bedroom. This is a true oasis of comfort, equipped with an inviting king-sized bed and plenty of storage for both relaxation and organization. This level also includes 3 guest bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, creating plenty of space for visitors and guests. The guest bedrooms is almost at the same standard as the master bedroom, with an inviting king-sized bed and plenty of storage space. The bathrooms provide a spa-like atmosphere, with top-of-the-line furniture, as well as scented candles, creating a perfect space to wind down after a long day. On the 3rd floor of the house, we find ourselves in the home office, a spacious and well-equipped space equipped with the latest high-tech gadgets and devices, perfect for any work-related tasks. Next, we enter the laundry room, a modern space that keeps everything looking neat and tidy. Back on the main floor, we arrive at the security room, containing high-tech gadgets. This is the perfect environment for monitoring and controlling the house's security system. For those who value leisure and entertainment, the house has a dedicated gaming room, where one can escape into the world of gaming. Moving on, we find ourselves in the library, a beautiful and tranquil space perfect for relaxation and unwinding. This room is an ideal spot for discovering new books, reading in peace, or enjoying a cup of coffee. The house also has a recreational room, fitted with furniture that is stylish and comfortable. Here, there's plenty of space for leisure activities, perfect for hosting games nights with friends and family. For those looking to stay healthy, the house is equipped with an exercise room, with high-tech gadgets and equipment to facilitate any workout. Descending back to the lower levels, we enter the kids' playroom, designed for both learning and fun, creating an environment that is perfect for children. For those looking for a more relaxed atmosphere, the house has several cozy seating areas illuminated by warm lighting. Finally, let's explore the practical side of the house. The garage is a large and well-equipped space, perfect for storing and maintaining vehicles. And when the evening comes, you can step outside into the backyard and take a dip in the swimming pool surrounded by exotic plants and flowers. This amazing Star Wars house provides a variety of experiences, from luxurious spa-like bathrooms to advanced home automation systems, and from modern kitchens to tech-packed gaming rooms. This house is a true testament to the power of technology and provides endless opportunities for entertainment and bliss. Come experience the wonders of this masterpiece of design and functionality, an experience you'll never forget.